talking?
They can pretend to talk.
Oh, okay.
Mom,
Yeah.
what do you want to do now?
Can we play with the airplanes?
We can do Play-Doh now.
Play-Doh? How about we pretend to be airplanes again?
But let's play Play-Doh.
This is fun.
But let's play Play-Doh.
Let's play with this. Okay, you can pretend to be the police car. I'll be the Southwest airplane.
But I don't want to. First, I'll be the Southwest airplane and you be the British airplane.
Okay. So, do you want to go to a park?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. But talk like this. You want to go to the park?
Oh, okay. Do you want to go to the park?
No, like this. You want to go to the park?
Like this? Do you want to go to the park?
No, like this. Do you want to go to the park?
Like, do you want to go to the park?
Yeah.
Oh, why? Why should we talk like this?
I don't know, because we have to.
Oh, okay. Okay, here's the park.
I'm going to fly to your park.
Okay.
Let's fly to our park.
This is our park.
Okay, let's fly to there.
Oh, okay. I'm here. I landed.
Look, this plane is so loud.
It is loud. Hi.
Hi.
Do you want to come play with me? Okay.
I'll land.
Okay. So, what do you like to do for fun?
I want to slide first.
Okay.
I'll go first. Okay. You slide now.
Okay. Wait, I'm kind of scared.
Don't be scared. Remember, close your eyes and think something happy.
Okay. Hey, that helped.
Huh?
That helped me. Thank you.
Were you scared?
Yeah.
Were you not scared?
Yeah, then I wasn't scared.
Were you scared?
No, not anymore.
Okay.
How are you so brave?
Like I'm brave.
How?
Like I swing and slide.
You're smart.
Yeah.
You're a smart airplane.
Do you want to swing with me?
Sure.
There's another swing.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now we have to go home.
Why?
Because we have to sleep.
Oh, I don't want to.
Maybe one more time?
Sure.
Okay. Hey, it's time to go home.
No, I don't want to.
Then I will leave without you.
What? Don't leave without me.
Okay, then
No.
go with me.
Okay, fine.
This one is our home party.
Okay.
Let's fly to it.
I'm getting tired. Can you hold me? I'm getting tired. Can you hold me?
No, I can't.
Why?
Because you can move yourself.
No, I can't. I'm so tired.
You can't be tired.
I am tired.
Don't be tired.
I'm gonna stop.
Don't stop.
I'm tired.
No.
Can you hold?
Then you're gonna break your wing.
Okay, can you hold me?
But we have to fly together.
Can you hold me? Please.
This one more time.
Okay.
One.
No, Southwest. I want Southwest to hold me.
But Southwest was holding you.
No, you. This Southwest.
Don't crash.
I already did. I need help. I have an ouchie.
Mommy's see your out.
Okay.
Okay, so.
Oh, thank you. That feels so much better.
Now, do you want to run with me?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's run.
Okay.
Like this, like this.